Hello guys, today I will compare two scooters, Freego E10 Pro and also the Ninebot G30 Max. Actually this one is not the Ninebot Max, but it's very similar. So I suppose this one is Ninebot G30. Both scooters are 10-inch scooter, 10-inch wheel, front wheel, rear wheel, 10-inch, and no big difference from the looking. But if you compare the front fork, you see Freego E10 Pro have the suspension fork. Very good for feeling. But this one, no, has no suspension fork. Number two, you can see Ninebot G30 has a valve. Put the air inside. It's possible to get a flat tire. After a few months, the tube is broken. You have to change a new one. But the Freego, look, we don't have the valve because there are no air inside. See, it has hollow inside. The hollow inside, not solid. This is solid tire. See, no hollow inside. It has hollow outside. Hollow outside not so good because the rocks, stones can go inside. It can make it dirty, not easy to clean. This is perfect. We use this one for sharing scooters. After 1 year, 2 years, very good. Freego E10 Pro is 48 voltage and Ninebot is 36. High voltage means low current. Improve your performance and reduce the heat. In this way, it can improve your scooter lifespan. Let's compare the speed. Freego's scooter can go around 40 km/h. Ninebot only 30 km/h. So it can go faster. Number 5, about the motor power. Freego motor power is 500 watts and the Ninebot is 350 watts. Okay, let me make a summary. Freego E10 Pro can go faster, 40 km/h, Ninebot is 35. And the Freego have the suspension fork, Ninebot has no. And the Freego scooter can give you less headache because Freego use no air, Newton energy, no air inside. It's airless, no tube. But this one use a tube inside. You have to change the tube when it's flat tire. And also, Freego is more powerful because it's 500 watts. This one only 350 watts. And the Freego use 48 voltage. This one 36 voltage. It can use more lifespan. So this is the difference between the Freego and the Ninebot. Its specification is higher than Ninebot. I really recommend you choose Freego E10 Pro.